In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall the Temu app from your device, whether you're freeing up space or no longer using the app. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the Temu app on your device. This step might seem straightforward, but it can be a bit tricky if you have lots of apps. Navigate to your main home screen or whichever page you have stored the app. If you're having trouble finding it, try using the search feature on your phone. On most devices, you can swipe down from the middle of the home screen and a search bar will appear. Simply type Temu into the search bar and the app should pop up. This is an efficient way to find any app when your home screen's looking cluttered. Once you've identified the Temu app on your device, the next step is to tap and hold the app's icon. On many phones and tablets, this brings up a menu or causes the app icons to start wiggling or jiggling. This visual cue indicates that you are now in editing mode where you can rearrange apps or choose additional options related to them. With the icons in motion, a new set of options will be visible. Look carefully around the icon for a small X symbol or possibly a remove or delete option depending on your device. This is where you will select the delete option. On some devices, this action might be labeled differently, like uninstall, but the goal is the same, to remove the app from your device. Next, you'll often be prompted with a confirmation dialog box asking if you wish to delete Temu and all of its data. Understand that proceeding with this option will remove all app data from your device. If you're sure you won't need anything